One.
Hello, welcome back to I Cook. This is video 2 of our garlic herb braid. And while we've been away, we've been waiting for 10 minutes for our bread to rest. And right now we have our timer going off. We have 44 seconds left.
So then we know when the 10 minutes is up.
Alright.
So, when the timer goes off, we're going to divide it into thirds.
And
shape them into a 13-inch roll.
A 15-inch roll.
Well, honestly, it doesn't have to be exactly 15 inches. So
yeah.
Yeah,
So just because you don't need to get out a ruler and measure your braid, okay? And then after that, we are going to braid it, which gives it the name garlic herb braid.
And since we're letting it sit for a little bit, we're actually going to have to go ahead and put flour on the table again so we can form it into that shape. So, I'll get the flour. Oh, and there's the timer. So, I'll get the flour back out.
Here is our dough. Bring it closer to you. This is our dough that you've been waiting for. And now Rachel's sprinkling some more flour on the table so we can form it.
Okay, so we're going to put it in. So we're going to divide it evenly into 3 sections.
Which you could use a knife for to cut it. Oh.
We're just... You can just use a butter knife. It doesn't have to be sharp. It's dough. What are you going to do?
Alright, so here's our first.
And what you want to do is just like... Just do it.
So now we're going to start forming it into our around 15-inch braids.
You just, honestly, you just need to have them be even.
I'll do 2 and I'll do 1.
And if it's too floury, it won't roll. So we want to make sure that's not too floury.
Which I have quite a bit of flour on mine, but that's okay.
And also, if you get too much flour, it will crumble and come apart.
Which we do not want to happen.
No.
So let's try to make it
Yeah,
a 15-inch braid.
Pretty much all you're doing is just making a line.
It's kind of sticky still, but that's alright.
It's bread.
Add some more flour on it and
But not too much.
it'll be fine. Alright, so
You don't want to add too much flour because you've already done the kneading. And if you knead it again, it will not rise correctly. So there's about a 15-inch.
This one while I get this one starting to be shaped.
See, you want it to be about this size. I will show you. About maybe the size of like half your arm, maybe.
Not like this.
No. And we need to.
Rachel is good at this part.
Yeah. That's why I'm doing all the work. I'm kidding. Just on this part. Mr. Johnson, you did not hear that.
Shh.
Okay, It's gotta be shorter than a waffle. We just screw it up.
I'm not the one who cut
You're
it.
putting way too much flour on it.
Alright, I'll move the flour over.
You. Okay, stop it. Okay, so there's another one. Has a little flour, but issue, but it's good. Okay, now let me finish this one. I'm not flour. Put flour in the bread. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning this up.
You do that. Okay, sometimes you might have to add bread to other pieces of bread. I mean dough.
If they're not long enough.
Yeah.
If they weren't cut evenly.
Shut up! That was not my fault. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah, it goes on this one. Maybe.
Okay, just form it in there. And
I'm forming it.
Now we have our 3 even braid.
Kind of.
Things to braid.
They don't have to be perfect. It's cooking. Now you better not tear these out. I will be mad.
I'm going to put these on here. Rachel's going to put these on there.
And you want to make sure it's on a grease pan, otherwise it will be very hard to get off.
Which we previously sprayed this with tan.
Because we're smart. There you go.
Now we're going to
braid it.
braid it.
Just
Take it up. And alright.
braid. If you know how to braid. You go right.
So this is probably not a thing for guys unless they know how to braid. Sorry guys, but it's true.
It's true, Mr. Drunk. Okay, so now you push the edges together, nice and tight.
And finish braiding this.
Okay, good enough. So you want to pinch the edges together, and you kind of want to tuck it under, so all you see is the braid. And it's nice and pretty. No.
Alright, here's our good braid.
Ours is shorter than most, but that's okay. We will show you. Okay, there's our braid. I think it looks pretty cool. Here it is. It is beautiful, is it not?
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the
Now-
glitter on there.
We got to, no, we got the glitter on after it cooks.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in. We gotta wait for it to rise for about 25 minutes in a warm place.
So we're going to take it out into the nice warm outside day.
And Madison will talk to you about the temperature and everything while I go put it outside.
Alright, we are after we have it risen for about 25 minutes. We are going to bring it back in here and bake it for from 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees. And Rachel's taking it outside right now. And so we'll be back to you and you'll be back to me with video number 3. See ya!